At number 1, we have the Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella. This compact windproof travel umbrella is a game changer. It's engineered to withstand winds up to 100 MP with its reinforced fiberglass ribs, so it won't flip inside out. It folds down small enough to fit in a backpack or purse, yet opens automatically with one hand to provide excellent coverage. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for city walks, airport transfers, or unexpected downpours. Thousands of reviewers praise its reliability and portability. It's the ideal, hassle-free weather protection for anyone on the go.
At number 2, we have the FlexSolar 40W Foldable Solar Panel Charger. A must-have for adventurers, this 40W panel uses highly efficient monocrystalline cells for faster charging, perfect for phones, tablets, and power banks. It's waterproof and dustproof with an IP67 rating, so you can take it anywhere without worry. Maximize efficiency by keeping it perpendicular to the sun for full power, even in remote desert areas. Lightweight and compact, it's the perfect companion for cycling, hiking, and camping, reducing your need to hunt for outlets. A great value and an eco-conscious choice for any traveler. The FlexSolar 40W is your ultimate power solution on the go. At number 3, we have the Hihvls Portable Handheld Fan. Tired of weak, noisy fans? This isn't just any fan, it's a next-gen cooling turbo with a staggering 199 speed settings and a powerful brushless motor for ultimate airflow. Feeling the heat? Activate the ice compress technology to instantly chill your skin. It's like having portable air conditioning for your face and neck. And with a massive 5500 mAh battery, it runs for up to 20 hours. Perfect for long flights, hikes, or all-day power outages. It's the only fan you'll ever need. Use it as a desk fan, wear it as a neck fan, or take it with you as a compact handheld. Compact, powerful, and whisper quiet. Stay cool and comfortable anywhere with the Hihvls portable fan.
At number 4, we have the Vacbird USB pump vacuum bags. Tired of overpacking? These bags are your secret weapon for maximizing suitcase space. The wide opening makes it incredibly easy to pack all your gear. Simply seal it and use the powerful USB-powered pump to start the compression. Watch as your clothes and bulky items shrink dramatically, saving you tons of space. Perfect for families or extended trips, keeping everything organized and fresh. Make your next flight a breeze with Vacbird. More space, less stress.
At number 5, we have the FOMIN travel soap sheets. These dissolvable soap sheets are a hygiene essential for minimalists. Lightweight, leak-proof, and TSA-friendly. Just grab a sheet, wet it with water, and watch it lather up for a perfect clean. Travelers rave about the convenience for hotels, camping, or quick refreshes. Compact and effective for personal care on the road. With enough soap for 100 uses, FOMIN is your pocket-sized solution for clean hands. Anywhere. Adventure ready.
At number 6, we have the napfun travel neck pillow. Tired of that uncomfortable bobbing head experience on long trips? This ergonomic memory foam pillow provides 360-degree support to prevent head bobbing and neck pain. Its soft, breathable cover and premium memory foam are designed for ultimate comfort during long journeys. It's highly rated for comfort and compresses small into its included travel bag, perfect for planes, trains, or the office. Arrive refreshed and reduce travel fatigue. Get your napfun travel neck pillow today. At number 7, we have the MiraLAX Travel Pack. Convenient single-dose packets for digestive relief on the go. Gentle and effective, it's a traveler favorite for dealing with irregular schedules, flights, or new foods without hassle. Gentle and effective, it's a traveler favorite for dealing with irregular schedules, flights, or new foods without hassle. Compact and portable, keeps you comfortable during trips. MiraLAX. The #1 doctor-recommended brand for a reason.
At number 8, we have the COSLUS Mini Water Flosser. Maintain oral hygiene anywhere with this portable, rechargeable water flosser. Compact for travel, it offers strong pressure cleaning between teeth. Users love how it replaces bulky floss and keeps breath fresh during trips. Great for daily routines on vacation.
At number 9, we have the MOMAX Mini Portable Bluetooth Speaker. the ultimate audio companion for your on-the-go life. Weighing just 74 grams, its powerful magnetic design snaps onto your phone, so your music literally follows you everywhere. Enjoy crisp, clear sound from music or calls on the beach, turning any downtime into a vibe. With a splash-proof design, your solo sessions in the bathroom are now waterproof approved. And with an impressive 12-hour battery life, the party doesn't stop until you say so. Want to double the vibe? Pair 2 speakers for a powerful immersive stereo experience. It's not just about size. Inside is pure audio bliss, powered by advanced MOMAX technology. Find the color that matches your style. This is the MOMAX mini speaker. Your life, your BGM.
At number 10, we have the MATEIN travel laptop backpack. It's spacious yet incredibly organized. Dedicated pockets fit your laptop, passport, chargers, and more, so you're always prepared. Built for comfort and durability, its water-resistant material and breathable design make it perfect for airport walks or daily commutes. It's the stylish, hands-free solution for your everyday adventures. With smart features like a luggage strap and an anti-theft back pocket, it's designed for the modern traveler, a bestseller for its unbeatable value. The MATEIN travel backpack is your perfect carry-on companion for any journey.
At number 11, we have the Taygeer personal item backpack. This under-seat friendly bag is a game changer for budget airlines. Say goodbye to surprise baggage fees. It's lightweight and expandable with multiple compartments for quick access to all your essentials. From travel to college to your daily commute, travelers love the perfect organization without exceeding size limits. Taygeer, your perfect travel companion, is here. Get yours now.
At number 12, we have the Veken 8, set packing cubes with laundry. Tired of chaotic, wrinkled packing? This set transforms your suitcase into a perfectly organized space. The secret? Durable fabric, smooth zippers, and buckles that keep your clothes wrinkle-free. It even includes a hanging toiletry bag and a convenient machine-washable laundry bag. Perfect for any trip, from a weekend getaway with carry-on luggage to family vacations. For stress-free, neat, and efficient packing, the Veken 8 set is highly recommended for any traveler.
At number 14, we have the Temdan USB-C charging cable, advanced vacuum bags with a smart pump for precise compression, ideal for bulky clothes or seasonal items. Users note excellent space savings and the digital display for ease. But with Temdan, it's all about power. Engineered for 3A fast charging, it delivers a rapid and stable charge every time. It's not just for charging. Transfer your data at lightning-fast speeds, up to 480 Mbps. With universal compatibility, it's the only cable you'll need for all your USB-C devices. Temdan. Upgrade your charge.
At number 15, we have the Vorspack travel toiletry bag. A traveler's dream for staying organized in tight hotel bathrooms or shared spaces. It's made with durable, water-resistant canvas. The sturdy zipper and reinforced stitching ensure it's built to last. The spacious main section easily fits full-size bottles, shavers, toothbrushes, and cosmetics. No more leaving essentials behind. Multiple compartments, including mesh pockets and elastic straps, keep items visible, accessible, and prevent spills. With compact folded sizes, it slips neatly into luggage, saving you precious space. Perfect for any type of trip. Stop digging through messy bags. The Vorspack toiletry bag is a must-have for anyone who values organization and convenience on the road.
At number 16, we have the TomTalk RFID Sling Bag. Engineered with a sleek, minimalist design, it's the perfect blend of style and function for your daily adventures. Featuring a smart RFID blocking pocket, it protects your passports and cards from electronic theft. With 1.5 liters of multi-compartment storage, keep all your essentials like your phone, wallet, and keys perfectly organized. Durable, water-resistant, and designed for comfort, it's your ideal hands-free companion whether you're exploring the city or the great outdoors. And with its slim profile, it fits just about anywhere. The TomTalk RFID Sling Bag. Travel smarter and lighter.
At number 17, we have the Atickyaid Mini First Aid Kit. Compact yet comprehensive, this 140-piece mini first aid kit is essential for peace of mind on any journey. Packed in a durable case, it includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze, scissors, tweezers, gloves, and more for minor cuts, burns, or blisters. Lightweight and TSA friendly, it fits easily in carry-ons, glove compartments, or backpacks. Families highlight its organization and variety of items, perfect for everything from kids' scrapes to travel-related issues. It's small enough to forget it's there until you need it most.
At number 18, we have the Lumesner carry-on travel backpack. This 40L bag is a true chameleon. Need a backpack? Done. But prefer a duffel? Just hide the straps. It's designed to meet airline carry-on limits, and the expandable zipper gives you extra room for all those souvenirs. Stay perfectly organized with a dedicated laptop sleeve, multiple internal organizers, and it even comes with bonus packing cubes. Built for adventure, it features water-resistant fabric and sturdy zippers to handle any rough travel day. Perfect for business trips, getaways, or as the one bag for minimalist travelers who refuse to check luggage.
Tired of suitcase chaos? At number 19, we have the Veken 8 set packing cubes. This lightweight, high-quality set includes various sizes, a laundry bag, and a toiletry pouch. Revolutionize organization with compression zippers that shrink clothes to save massive space and reduce wrinkles. Travelers rave about wrinkle-free packing, quick unpacking, and easily separating dirty and clean items. Perfect for family vacations, extended trips, or carry-on-only travel. A true essential for efficient packing.
At number 20, we have the PFEYRPK lightweight compression packing cubes. Slim and premium, they save space with strong zippers and lightweight ripstop fabric. Save up to 60% of space. They're also waterproof and incredibly durable for repeated use. Perfect for neat separation of outfits or shoes, making repacking effortless for any trip. The set even includes a handy shoe bag and a clear toiletries bag for total organization. With multiple sizes for every need, you'll maximize every inch of your luggage space. PFEYRPK packing cubes, the ultimate travel hack for a stress-free, organized journey.